Another week of films you never got around to watching but always wanted to see. Now showing on Sky Movie Showcase HD.
Again, and welcome to joining us here at the Swansea Valley. We're at the Glacian Colliery. It is a drift mine. The weather has certainly changed over the last 20 minutes or thereabouts. The mood as well. Not necessarily one of despair, but certainly anticipation, waiting to hear from the police again. But while there still is no news, there is still hope that that fourth miner could still be found alive. Let's bring you up to speed with what has happened here so far. 7 miners were working in the shaft yesterday morning. Emergency crews were called at around about 9:20 after 4 of them became trapped. 3 managed to escape, including one who is critically ill after just getting out as water flooded the drift mine. Rescue workers worked through the night. The men were named as Philip Hill, Charles Breslin, David Powell and Gary Jenkins. Their families have been gathered across this morning. The police announced they found the body of 1 miner. Then at 1:30 this afternoon they confirmed the discovery of another. At 3 p.m. a third experts have been helping with the rescue operation as water is drained from the mine so every shaft can be searched for possible air pockets. Crabtree is monitoring events as well further up the hill.